Hi, I want to give a shout out for Thrive Life's newest product. This is called Ruvi, the Roots of Life, which is fruits and vegetables. How many of you get enough fruits and vegetables every day? These 4 packets are freeze-dried, powdered fruits and vegetables. Whole, fiber-rich, nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables. Each packet has different fruits and vegetables, so there's 4 different flavors, a variety of 26 different fruits and vegetables. How many of you get 26 fruits and vegetables every week? So it's really an awesome way to get your fruits and vegetables. I'll give you some more information in a minute, but let me just show you how easy it is. This is the orange. It's called Boost. It has banana, carrot, mango, peach, pineapple, butternut squash, kiwi, and orange. So there's 4 servings of fruits and vegetables in this powdered drink. It's called Boost. It's going to give you a good boost for the day. All you do is tear open the package, get a blender bottle. You get this nice Ruvi blender bottle with your first order if you get the month's supply, and dump the freeze-dried powder into the blender bottle. Give it a little tap. I put about 10 ounces of water in my blender bottle, and I usually do an ice cube or 2 because I like it really cold. Put the lid on. Make sure it's tight and shake. That's all there is to it, and then you drink it. So there's an orange drink, 4 servings of fruits and vegetables. And you can put this in yogurt, stir it into your yogurt, stir it into a smoothie, just drink it on the go. It's awesome. The flavors are all quite delicious. If you like it thicker, you put less water. If you like it thinner, you put more water. I like about, like I said, 10 ounces. Then I drink it, and then I put more water in to rinse out all the yummy goodness that's left at the bottom. So drink your fruits and vegetables. Ruvi, you gotta give it a try.
Drink your fruits and veggies. 90% of Americans don't get enough fruits and vegetables in their diet. We don't have time or take the time to shop, cut, chop, and cook what our bodies need. Why is that a big deal? A diet rich in vegetables and fruits can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, prevent some types of cancer, and lower risk of eye and digestive problems. Your body can't fully repair, build, grow, or fight without a regular, healthy dose of fruits and vegetables. Introducing Ruvi, the Roots of Life. Drink your colors. Each pouch contains 4 servings of straight-up whole fruits and vegetables. Nothing else. This is not a supplement. This is real fruits and vegetables. No added sugar, no preservatives, no added colors, no fillers, all the fiber. No refrigerator or blender needed. When you're ready for a Ruvi, just dump, shake, and drink. What is Ruvi? Ruvi is 100% powdered freeze-dried fruits and vegetables in 4 different blends for a total of 26 different fruits and vegetables. There's Focus, Boost, Active, and Clean. Ruvi is helping people lose weight, sleep better, think more clearly, have more energy, and much, much more. To learn more about Ruvi and to learn how you can get some of this amazing product, go to valhat.thrivelife.com.